So my name is Luis Suarez. I'm known on Twitter and almost also the social networks there as Elsua, E-L-S-U-A. I used to work for IBM for 17 years in the area of knowledge management, collaboration, learning and social networking for business. And since 2014 I'm working as an independent advisor around social business and digital transformation. For other people who may not know me, I still am that guy who 8 years ago decided not to use email for work, and I'm the no email guy. Yeah, the presentation that I did this morning was about what's the role of both managers and leaders in the connected world, right? We keep talking about how work is shifting from traditional top-down command and control structures into more network-driven, more community-driven. So eventually what I did in the session is try to pave out the landscape of the new leadership skills and traits that the next generation of managers should have in order to thrive in this brave new world of not knowing what's going to happen next. Well, I think what's going to happen with digital workplace is that it's going to become more of a personal experience, right? Customized experience. But most of the times I think that it's gonna have the role of people taking over their own responsibility for the tools that they use. And what I mean with that is that all of a sudden we have the opportunity to use all of these various different wonderful gadgets, whether it's smartphones or tablets or the regular PC, computer, laptop. And we will have the opportunity to become our own CIO. I would definitely recommend everyone to go to IntraTeam event in Copenhagen. First of all, because Copenhagen is a lovely city. And secondly, because IntraTeam is one of the hottest events in Europe where you can get to find out what other people are doing in their intranet spaces, how internal communications is changing, how digital workplaces are taking everything by storm. And my favorite part of IntraTeam so far is the networking. It's absolutely brilliant. You get to meet some fantastic people with lots of extended coffee breaks and lunches and everything else, which gives you the opportunity to pause, talk and continue that learning path. I have attended a couple of different sessions already, and the interesting theme that I have learned from all of those various different sessions is that we're starting to look more into what I call the sociology of the digital workplace. So instead of just focusing on tools, we are starting to also focus on the change initiatives, on the adaptation techniques and strategies, on what happens with people. So eventually the sociology of the actual workplace, to understand that it's not just about technology, that also the people component play a key role in terms of how we actually self-empower different employees to take more ownership of the work that they do with the tools at their disposal, in this case social tools at their disposal.